Hello and welcome. Verb tenses helps you to talk about actions in the past, present, and future. Let's talk about the present tense. The present tense consists of the simple present tense, the present continuous tense, the present perfect tense, and the present perfect continuous tense. Let's use the verb send to show the difference between these tenses, starting with the simple present tense. The simple present tense talks about an action that is usual or routine. Example, I send the weekly report every Friday. Use the present continuous tense to talk about an action that is in progress at the time the statement was made. Example, I am sending the updated proposal as we speak. Present continuous verbs are formed by using the words am, are, or is, and adding ing to the verb, so send becomes sending. Use the present perfect tense to talk about a past action that has a link to the present. Example, I have sent the contract to the client. Present perfect verbs are always formed by using the words have or has and the past participle form of the verb. So the past participle form of the verb send is sent. And finally, the present perfect continuous tense. Use this tense when you are talking about a repeated action that started in the past and continuing during the present. Example, I have been sending follow-up emails. Use the words has been or have been when talking in the present perfect continuous tense and add ing to the verb. So send becomes sending. That is all on the present tenses. Next lesson will be on the past tenses.